Back with breaking updates coming in. TMC will move 2 resolutions in the West Bengal Assembly. The resolutions are against NEET as well as the criminal laws. Breaking update coming in from West Bengal. The West Bengal government, or TMC, has decided to move 2 resolutions in the Assembly. One resolution is going to be against NEET. Remember, Tamil Nadu has also passed a resolution against NEET. Another resolution also being passed in West Bengal. This is against the criminal laws. Big update coming in from West Bengal on the decision that has been taken by the TMC. My colleague Adrija is joining us over the phone line with the details. Adrija, what are the details of the resolutions being moved by the TMC in the Assembly?
Well, you see, Mamata Banerjee earlier herself have announced this fact that 2 new resolutions will be introduced in the West Bengal Assembly, the session that is starting today, the monsoon session. And the 2 new resolutions, one is regarding the NEET examination. We have seen that a scam regarding the NEET examination has come forward, and of course the West Bengal government has been condemning the entire act. She has also, Mamata Banerjee, in the past written letters to the Prime Minister asking the Prime Minister to completely cancel the NEET examination and establish state-wise exams. So one resolution regarding this, another resolution will be regarding the new criminal code that has been passed in the parliament. Mamata Banerjee regarding this also have, asked the Prime Minister to hold these bills, but of course, nothing of that sort has happened, and therefore a resolution regarding the new BNS, the new criminal code, will also be introduced in the West Bengal Assembly.
Okay, all right, Adrija, thank you for joining us with those details. We're on standby for those developments from West Bengal. Quick break on that note. We'll be right back with the top stories. Do stay with us.